Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova Y70 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now you need to locate location icon and when you find it, click on it. Then select Agree in the pop-up and as you can see, location of my HUAWEI is now on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same icon. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well. Scroll down and tap on location section here. Now manage location of your smartphone by tapping on this switcher next to access my location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!